Navertica Contract Billing is an extension for Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central ERP system. The app allows recording customer contracts and then create invoices for services to customers in bulk with the greatest possible degree of automation according to set parameters. This tool extends the standard service module and is also linked to sales orders to create service contracts. The advantage is the possibility of linking to meters as a variable monthly service. In this video, we will go through basic functions of the app. Let's start by creating a new service contract, which is part of the service module. There are contract templates ready for specific situations, including setting up selected contract services. After filling in the customer, you can select one of the existing service items that represents the customer's actual equipment under contract. Based on the contract template, one prepaid billing service is automatically set up. This function of the contract includes the setting of the invoice calendar, which is preset according to the template. The calendar length and specific settings are made after copying the calendar from template. We distinguish between pre-sale and back-sale calendars according to the way the period is processed. Now you can set up a price list for services, which can be linked to the initial period and can also be combined from several parts and linked to the number of included subscription units. These settings are the minimum to lock the contract and activate it for billing. In the current billing period, a batch job with filters is run for all contracts that meet the billing conditions. Contracts are then generated in batch. When starting a batch job, we set the billing period. The status of the generation is shown in the report. Any errors need to be corrected before regeneration. The resulting invoices are available among the invoices for batch posting or can be opened from the contract. The invoice may contain information regarding the contract, the period, and the service. Additionally, generated texts are user configurable. For demonstration, we will look at the possibility of back-sale calculation and the connection to the meter. On the prepared contract, we will set the rules pricing of services, which in this case will be cascaded. We will take a meter reading to the signed contract before balancing, which is related to the service item. For recording, we use the meter journal, which is used for mass data entry. To meter reading, enter the number of the service item, the code of the meter, and the type of reading. This also allows us to specify corrections and meter reloading. Now let's go back to the sample contract. We can run the invoicing batch job to generate the backsale. After generating the invoice, we check the resulting invoice. It should also be mentioned that the basic POSes contains additional settings for contract behavior, aggregation of services and invoices for one customer, control mechanisms that help users in different situations, and save time for manual invoice processing. This and much more is possible in our contract billing app. Thank you for watching this video and be our guest to try a free trial, available now on Microsoft AppSource.